Hello, today we're going to go over how to install Outlook on your Android mobile device. Let's get started. To begin, I have my Android device here, and what we're going to do is we're going to tap the box that says Apps at the bottom. Once you hit the Apps button on your phone, look for the Google Play Store logo. Once you hit the Google Play Store logo, the Google Play Store should pop up. At the top of the Google Play Store, there should be a search bar. In this search bar, we're going to search Microsoft Outlook, or Outlook for short. As you can see, it popped up right away. In preparation for this demonstration, I've already installed Microsoft Outlook. This step you'll have to do yourself. Once it's installed, hit open and we can sign you in. Once I open Outlook, this is what pops up. This is because I already have multiple accounts installed. But now we're going to go over adding a new account. So if you're a new user and don't have any other accounts, this may look a little bit different for you. On this screen, you're going to hit the three horizontal lines at the top left. Then, at the bottom left, hit the cog button. This should take you to the Accounts screen. As you can see, I have multiple accounts that I have blurred out on this list, but we're going to focus on the Add Account button at the bottom. Once we hit the Add Account button, two options appear at the bottom of the screen: Add an email account or Add a storage account. We're adding an email account. Once the Add an email account option is chosen, we're going to enter in our student email, first name, period, last name, @ashub.edu. That was how to install Outlook, as well as how to set up a new account on your Android mobile device. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.